Volcanologists say restive Mount Mayon's hazardous eruption is imminent and it may occur very soon, Haji Camino reports.
The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology in Region 5 intensified its monitoring of the Mayon volcano. This after the restless volcano showed signs of eruption yesterday when it released lava flow from the upper portion. The lava flow was measured at 350 meters from the crater. But Cebu's resident volcanologist Ed Laguerta stressed it was only a quiet eruption.
Yung mga past activities ng Mayon, minsan nagkakaroon siya ng mga small ash explosions. Pero ngayon talagang totally tahimik. Tapos nag-flow lang. So inaan namin dito na mayroon talagang nagkakaroon talaga ng intrusions and pressurizations down below. And yung isang manifestations na nagsimula nang makaipon siya ng lakas at na-push na yung kaunti pang dito sa may upper portion, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng lava flow.
Cebu recorded 2 volcanic earthquakes and an amount of more than 400 tons of sulfur dioxide for the past 24 hours. In a briefing at Albay Public Safety and Emergency Management Officer APSEMO, Dr. Winchell Sevilla said an eruption is possible anytime soon if the lava flow continues. The lava flow, which was recorded yesterday morning, was the thick old magma at the upper portion, which moves up slowly. It is pushed by a new batch of magma upwards. Declaring an alert level 4 status indicates the non-stop flowing of lava. The provincial and the national government, meanwhile, assured they are ready whatever happens.
Nagtanong kung bakit ito'y permanent danger zone, bakit may mga tao pa na andyan. Ito yung mga nahuli, hindi pa na-evacuate. So talagang kailangan na mailayo natin sa kapahamakan o ma-relocate yung ating mga kababayan. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung suma total nito, pero yan yung layo ng pamahalaan, no? Na mailayo natin sa kapahamakan at masiguro natin yung seguridad ng ating mga kababayan.
For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino reporting from Albay.